This 30-inch Yeakcco gas cooktop offers 5 sealed burners with a wide range of heat outputs, so you can simmer delicate sauces or power through fast boiling and searing on the strong center burner. The stainless steel surface and sealed burner design make everyday cleanup straightforward, since spills tend to stay on top, where a quick wipe with water or detergent is usually enough. Heavy cast iron grates and sturdy metal control knobs give the cooktop a solid, stable feel that handles heavy cookware and woks without wobbling. A dedicated wok support is included, which helps focus the flame and keep round bottom pans balanced for more authentic stir-frying. The built-in design with a drop-in cutout and an electric pulse ignition system makes installation relatively simple for a qualified installer, and lighting the burners is as easy as turning the knobs. Support for both natural gas and liquid propane, along with the included conversion components, means this cooktop can adapt to different kitchen setups without needing a different model.